Hello, and welcome back to the That Was Easy channel. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to make a heart out of a simple towel. And I'm sure some of you guys who have been viewers of the channel for a while notice that the setup is a bit different. We don't have the usual striped background, and that's because I've had to move because, as you can see, a towel is a bit bigger than a normal deck of playing cards. So I hope you guys don't mind, and I hope the towel is visible enough so that you guys can see. But without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. So I'm using like a bath towel or just like a beach towel type of thing, but you guys could do this with a larger towel or an even smaller towel, but I feel like this size works pretty well. What you're going to want to do is lay your towel out right in front of you so that it is long ways, so short and long. You're going to want to put some sort of anchor right up here so that your towel doesn't fold, or if you're a professional like I am, or somewhat professional like I am, you can just kind of leave it there and work your way up. So this said, your first step is going to be rolling the sides of your towels in. By this, I mean just kind of rolling it just like so that it's all culminating on one point right at the center while staying pretty big towards the outsides. Next, you want to do the same thing on the other side. And you can just use your hand as that anchoring point that I mentioned. And you should end up with something just like so. Next, you're going to want to make the pointy bit of this creation point towards you. And then you want to slowly unravel it from the top so you get your nice base of your heart. This should result with a bit of a V shape, and you get to really choose how big you want this V to be, depending on how big you want your heart to be. Next, you'll take these two top bits of your heart and bring them in towards the center to form your heart shape, just like so. But you may notice the heart's a bit sloppy right now, so you can kind of bring in these top bits, just scrunch them together while bringing the actual top corners of your towel in to make a nice heart, just like so. And you can even put it out and up to just add a nice bit of volume. And although it may be a bit hard to see with the camera's perspective right now, you'll just have to trust me when I say that this does look like a beautiful heart from my perspective, and I hope it does for you as well. So, with that being said, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment some other stuff you'd like to see me make in the comment section down below. But for now, I'll see you guys again later. Bye.